Good morning. Today's a big day. I stayed up way too late last night at a wedding, dancing my feet off. But today I've got to get this thing moving. So we're going to see if this will climb a slight grade. When we bought it, it wouldn't really pull itself onto the trailer. We really had to gun it, and that's all because of the torque converter. I do have pressure in it. We are going to just make sure that we still have power, just in case. So if we can climb this gradual grade, it means we got power, we'll be all right. If we can't, we got some other problems, and I got to figure it out before deciding whether or not we're going to spend more money on this thing, which we probably will. I mean, you saw the hydraulics, they work, so we'll see. Sorry, way too late last night. Good time.